Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the country on Amazon Prime Video. First of all, open up the Prime.video app. After opening up the site, go into your account. Once you get into your account, click on your profile icon and tap on the account and settings option from here. To change the country, you have to change your language first. Click on the language option from your account. So choose the different languages from here. After changing the language, open up the Amazon.com site. Then, from the Amazon homepage, click on your account options and go into your account from here. Now tap on your language icon beside your account. Then tap to change your language from here. You can do that from all settings. Simply tap on Menu from the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on the language option. You can change it from here as well. By changing the language, your country will be changed automatically. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.